The sacred elephants of India. From the misty jungles of Kerala to the temple courtyards of Tamil Nadu, elephants have long stood as majestic symbols of strength, wisdom, and spirituality in India. These gentle giants are more than just animals. They're woven deeply into India's culture, religion, and history. Join us as we explore the sacred elephants of India, their importance, their lives, and the incredible bond they share with humans. Subscribe to Global Wonders Unveiled and hit the bell so you never miss a journey. Also leave a comment, which country or adventure next? Cultural and spiritual significance. In Hinduism, elephants are revered as divine beings, primarily through Lord Ganesha, the elephant-headed god of wisdom and remover of obstacles. Temples across India keep elephants not as possessions, but as living embodiments of faith. During festivals like Thrissur Pooram in Kerala, ornately decorated elephants carry deities in grand processions, accompanied by drums, trumpets, and cheering crowds. Elephants in Indian history. Elephants have played vital roles throughout India's past, from royal processions and warfare to forestry and agriculture. The Asian elephant, one of 3 surviving elephant species, has been part of India's identity for over 4,000 years. Ancient kings used elephants in battles, while Mughal emperors paraded them as symbols of power and prestige. Conservation and challenges. Today, India is home to nearly 60% of the world's Asian elephant population, but their numbers are declining due to habitat loss, human conflict, and poaching. National parks like Kaziranga, Periyar, and Bandipur have become sanctuaries protecting these endangered giants. Conservationists work tirelessly to create wildlife corridors that allow elephants to move freely without crossing dangerous human zones. Behavior and intelligence. Elephants are known for their extraordinary intelligence. They mourn their dead, recognize themselves in mirrors, and show empathy toward others. In India's forests, matriarchs lead family herds, guiding them across rivers, grasslands, and jungles. They communicate using low-frequency sounds inaudible to humans that can travel several kilometers. Interesting facts and curiosities. Elephants spend up to 16 hours a day eating leaves, roots, fruits, and grasses. An adult Indian elephant can weigh over 5,000 kilograms, which is super heavy. Their trunks have over 40,000 muscles, giving them incredible dexterity. That's why the amazing ability to handle tiny things with incredible skills. They can cry and even show compassion to the humans they bond with, and especially towards other elephants who are just as curious and playful. In Kerala, there's even an elephant palace, a retirement home where temple elephants live peacefully after years of service. The elephants of India are not just creatures of the wild, they are sacred keepers of ancient tradition, intelligence, and grace. Protecting them is not just an act of conservation, it's a promise to preserve India's soul. Global Wonders Unveiled, where the world's beauty meets serenity.